So, you're not happy with what you see when you look in the mirror? Eye bags, dark spots, and wrinkles stare back at you every morning. It's not the end of the world, but it's definitely frustrating. It makes you feel old and it lowers your confidence. What if I told you that you can change the way you look and feel? Stick around and I'll show you how a younger, healthier look is not only attainable, but surprisingly easy. So I'm going to teach you 2 simple steps that will make it very easy to finally drop those stubborn eye bags, dark spots, and wrinkles and start achieving that younger, healthier look that'll get you compliments from everyone around you and make you feel better about yourself. You're about to learn a trick that will deflate your eye bags by about 50% just by spending 2 minutes a day on them. And then I'll show you how the same secret weapon can be used to fight those pesky dark spots and wrinkles too. I'll teach you all this so you can regain your confidence and show off a face you're proud of by combining these 2 simple steps. Starting today, you'll see results in just a few weeks. Does that sound good to you? Me too. We've heard from thousands of men just like you how difficult it is to combat these signs of aging and how they couldn't find anything to help keep them at bay.
I'm following all the recommendations and tips. I'm sleeping properly, eating well, but my eye bags are still enormous. I've tried everything. Why won't these wrinkles go away? My wife's are almost gone. Why can't mine disappear too?
If I had a nickel for every time I heard something like that from a guy like you, I might be driving a Ferrari right now. I know it can be very frustrating and disheartening when things feel out of your control and nothing you try seems to work. But don't give up just yet. By the end of this video, it won't be this way for you ever again. If you just do what I tell you, you are going to be shocked how fast your face changes in the next few weeks. Getting the look you want is actually much easier than you think, and I'll help you make it a reality right now. How do I know it's that easy? Well, I've done it myself, and I've helped Particles share this powerful secret with thousands of men around the world. I've watched firsthand as these guys made incredible progress and went from that dreaded grandpa look to the look of the handsome fellow you see right before you. I'm going to give you a way out, so get ready to write some things down, as they will help you with exactly what you need. If you start applying these 2 simple tips today, you'll see a drastic difference in no time. So what are these 2 steps? 1. Put on Particle face cream in the morning, after your morning shower, and before you go to work. Apply Particle face cream for just a minute and let it do its thing throughout the day. 2. Put on Particle face cream at night, right before you go to sleep, and get those well-deserved 8 hours of shut-eye. Apply Particle face cream for another minute and let it work all night. Particles face cream was scientifically designed by a team of experts in men's skin through years of research. They developed a formula proven to combat aging by helping diminish eye bags, dark spots, and wrinkles, as well as hydrating your skin, soothing it after shaving, and cleansing it with Dead Sea minerals. The Particle face cream formula combines 12 powerful ingredients, including hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, coffee seed extract, sim white, jojoba oil, and more. Hyaluronic acid helps balance the skin's natural moisture levels and improves overall skin texture and tone. It is a gentle ingredient that can be used on all skin types. Vitamin E is a potent antioxidant that helps cells repair sun damage and provides protection from premature aging, including wrinkles. Each of these ingredients is a powerful force scientifically proven to fight aging. Together with 10 other high-grade ingredients included in Particle face cream, they are even more effective at keeping your skin young, smooth, and hydrated. Particle has helped all of these men who are struggling to fight the most annoying signs of aging, and they have seen results in as little as a couple of weeks. Just check out these real reviews from real men who gave Particle's 2-step solution against aging a try.
I'm a huge fan of Particle face cream, and it's been perfect for me.
And I really feel the difference since I started using it.
Really pleased with it.
A great skincare routine definitely helps.
Everything we need is in this one little bottle.
Particle are so confident that you'll get the results you've been craving, they offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. So what are you waiting for? Ditch the other stuff and give your skin the TLC it deserves with Particle face cream.